How to add an avatar to your Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to personalize your Instagram stories with fun avatar or memojis of yourself, in this video I'll show you how to do it. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, open the Instagram and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now swipe right to access your story camera. Now you can take a quick photo or record a video, whichever you prefer. And now after that, simply tap on the sticker icon, the little smiley face at the top right. And from there, simply scroll down and you can see the option label as avatar. So simply tap on that. So if you already have an avatar set up, you'll see different version of it, smiling, waving or making funny expression. So here you can choose different avatar expression and poses. You can even resize it to make it big or small. And you can move it anywhere on your story. And you can have fun customizing it however you like. And that's it. Now you know how to add an avatar to your Instagram stories and make them more fun and personal. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.